everyone, my name is Suthita Siriboon. Now I'm majoring in English at Panakhon Ratchapat University and my ID number is 051. Today I would like to talk about phonetic alphabet K and G sound. K and G are the vowel plosive or vowel stop หรือในภาษาไทยเขาเรียกกันว่าพยัญชนะระเบิดหรือพยัญชนะกักซึ่งเกิดขึ้นที่เพดานอ่อนนั่นเองนะคะ In pronunciation the back tongue is raised to touch the soft palate. K is voiced vowel plosive or vowel stop and G is voiced vowel plosive and vowel stop. Alright, Mr. Unreal from Hitari. He will give you for some example. So you can watching right now. Let's go.
Hello. Yeah. Sawadika. Hello, my name is Andrea. I'm from Italy. And today I'm going to show you how to pronounce the sound of the K and the G. K, gay, kill, Jill, kale, gate, gale, back, bag, cane, game, crime, crime. Sawadika.
Thank you.